Hi guys, hi girls, we are in a new tutorial about our air system. You can meet all our air system in our web Newless-Secu. Today I let you see a Afro-Man air system. We have them in stock with immediate shipment from factory to your house. The sizes are 25 cm to 20 cm. We have in base French lace, Swiss lace or skin. How you can see, the curl is very strong and it's very good to an African man. If you are a barber or hairdresser, we can assure you a wonderful discount. The shipment is immediate from factory to your house. You will receive in approx a week. You can pay with PayPal or with bank transfer. Our quality is the top, the knots are all handmade and the wave is very strong. I hope you liked this video, we see you next video, bye bye.